Drink a little water, feel a little better. You do what you gotta, babe. Breathe a little air. Bring life into your muscles, instinct for a living man. However, there is one thing you're all forgetting. That endless morning will turn to night. And when you're dreaming, you will be seeing a little demon dancing around. Baby, there is only one way, and that's to slow decay. Get a little earthy windy, I'll pull you down like rain. So tired, I can tell from your shape. Feeling sleepy, yeah, you can beat the slow decay. Saying life, it is confusing longer if you're choosing right. Read between the lines, it doesn't really matter. All that we possess is time. You know it's funny how you keep running away from slumber, although you can't. And when you're dreaming, you will be seeing a little demon dancing around.
Hi. Okay, I think we're ready now. So, welcome to the channel after a couple of months. So, yeah. Yesterday, I told myself it's time. It's been way too long, so it's time to shoot another video. And I've been trying to actually record a couple of videos in the last couple of months, but somehow I always end up, you know, it's not a proper time, you know, I'm not in some interesting location, I don't have, you know, enough gear, I don't have enough, but at the end, it doesn't really matter, you know, you can shoot video wherever you want if you have an idea, and I guess the point is to be creative, and that is exactly what this video is about. Let me tell you a little story. Before I even had my camera, before I bought anything of photography equipment, I was kind of, you know, looking into it and deciding what camera I'm gonna buy and what, you know, stuff I'm gonna shoot. And I ended up watching one of the Peter McKinnon's video about product photography. So it was basically a video about how to shoot product photography in your own home without any expensive gear. And that got me inspired. So maybe November 2018, like I said, before I even bought my camera, I was actually, you know, so inspired by that video, and I was setting myself a small set for product photography out of things that were laying around, and actually I shoot this. It's a Zippo lighter, and it's, you know, pretty cool one. And I was actually taking photos with my phone. Yeah, that's it. No camera, no expensive gear, just my phone. And it looked pretty okay, nothing special. I knew nothing about photography back then, so you know, you can't expect any great results, but I came to an idea to actually recreate that shot and to show you guys actually how you can make yourself make more photos, even when you're not going outside, not going to some cool location, not shooting some awesome landscapes and stuff. Just, you know, with stuff laying around in your house, you can do some pretty cool photos. So yeah, we got a subject, we got the camera. This is the Canon 2000D. It's one of the cheapest Canon DSLRs. So, and I have this is 55 to 250 millimeters Canon lens. It's for actually crop cameras, for my camera basically. And I have here, I don't know if you can see, this right here, it's the extension tube, and it's actually something that I bought on some cheap Chinese website. It's actually made to help in macro photography. What it does is basically giving you possibility to get closer to your subject with a lens that's basically not designed to shoot in that close range. So yeah, let's dive right into it, and let me show you what we can do with it. Okay, so here is our set. We have our subject, and we have some couple of keys here, some coins. We have this old box. It's going to be used as our background, and we have everything on a hoodie, which gives, you know, some nice texture, and it should look nice in the photos, better than just lay it around on the floor. And yeah, that's pretty much all. Okay, so first I'm going to try to get very low and try to get some nice shots from here. Okay, so this actually doesn't look that bad. Let me try to show you guys. Yeah, not bad. But okay, actually like this. What I actually want to try is to get some sort of backlight that's going to cover this edge and show a little bit of more details right here. And for that, actually, I'm going to be using something like some cheap flashlight. So let me try to get that really quickly. Okay, here we are. Now I got this cheap light cube. Wow. Okay. Anyway, let's see what we can do with it. Okay. That's pretty much it. So we can just try it open like this. Okay, let's go and try bring our photos in Lightroom and see what we have. Okay. Okay, now welcome to Lightroom Classic. This is the latest version, and I have 3 photos that I chose from that shooting. And as you can see, these are the raw files. I always shoot in raw. Simply this will give you much more flexibility when working in any editing software. So we can do pretty much some, very extreme things when it comes to editing. Now, if you can see the settings that I was shooting on. It was 1/100 of a second, and this was f5 on 130 millimeters, ISO 400, and this is the picture that we got. Now histogram probably says this is maybe a little bit underexposed, but this kind of a dark look is something that I was going for, so I'm pretty happy with this one. But if you click on the auto exposure, it will pretty much give you something like this. And if we go back and forth, you can see the difference. So yeah, I'm not gonna go that way. Now, usually how my editing flow goes is, when I start from zero, I usually check some of my presets, how they work with the picture that I'm working on. Not every preset is gonna work with every photo, so keep that in mind. But it's kind of a good starting point for a look that you are going for, and then you can tweak individual settings here. So that's pretty much how I'm going to do this editing. Usually for this I would go probably with this one. This gives us a really nice rustic kind of a look. This maybe is a bit dark, but we can tweak it a little bit if we choose that one. Now this one is also pretty nice. You can see it's pretty much desaturated. There are just a couple of colors here left, but it's kind of a nice photo. So yeah, let's check some of the black and white version. Usually what would work here is like a high contrast maybe, or a even punchy one. Now the flat one can be really interesting also, as you can see. So yeah, maybe that one, and then just if we bring up the exposure a little bit, we get like a nice muted black and white photo. So it's very interesting. But let's get back to this one. Yeah, pretty happy with this one. Now this is like a custom preset, something that I created while I was editing another photo, and just save the settings, and pretty much got my own. I don't buy presets. I usually do everything manually. Maybe I eventually download some free preset and just tweak it a little bit to my liking, and then just save it as a new preset. So basically, yeah, these are the 3 pictures that we got. Most probably this one, then this, and finally this one. But you can see, I mean, that's the point of this video. Easily and quickly at home, shoot and edit a couple of nice product photos. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Okay, that's pretty much it. That's what we get. How to shoot some interesting, nice photos of some interesting products that's just laying around in your house without any expensive gear. So yeah, if you like the video, hit the like, leave a comment, and let me know if you would be interested in watching some more of this type of content. Thank you and bye.